I have made a video to explain the Ma Long forehand technique. His technique is so good, that is why we call it a textbook forehand. Today we will learn the backhand technique of Ma Long.
生命在于运动，运动在于科学，科学运动请看全民健身指南。
Ma Long demonstrated his backhand attack for the new book, Guideline for the National Fitness by the General Administration of Sport.
横板反手攻球技术，两脚平行站立或左脚稍向前，比肩略宽。
Stand with your feet parallel or with your left foot slightly forward. Stand slightly wider than the shoulder.
屈膝收腹盘胸，左手自然置于腹前。
Bend your knee and abdomen with chest. Place your hand naturally in front of your belly. This is a very important step. You need to rub your hand naturally. Many amateur players forget this step. Naturally means that you need to relax. Relax is the key to generate power and speed. Watch my video Relax, Explode and Relax for this concept.
引拍时，腹部侧转并内收，持拍手向后方。
Never forget Yin Pai. Yin Pai is the way you prepare for the stroke. It helps you generate power. Watch this video to understand the Yin Pai concept.
引拍时，腹部侧转并内收，持拍手向后方。
Turn your abdomen sideways and roll back your hands and hit forward.
"手腕内收并保持拍面前倾，同时肘关节前顶并保持相对稳。
Relax and fold your wrists. Keep leaning forward. At the same time, the elbow joint is anterior and relatively stable. The elbow joint is the rotation axis to generate the power during your backhand topspin.
挥拍时，球拍由后向前上方击球。
Swing your racket forward. Hit the ball from the back to the front right and top. I have explained to many players that in your backhand topspin, you need to hit forward. Many new players hit the ball upward. Hitting upward, then you will lose power. Remember this, to have more power, hit more forward.
在高点前期或高点期击球的侧中上部。
Hit the ball early before the highest position. You need to hit before the highest position to borrow the power of the opponent. Backhand stroke is shorter, so you need to borrow the power.
在高点前期或高点期击球的侧中上部。在高点前期或高点期击球的侧中上部。击球时以前臂发力为主，击球后肘关节保持稳定。
The main force comes from the forearm when hitting the ball. Keep the elbow joint stable after hitting the ball. This is the main mistake that many amateur players forget. Watch this video to understand the elbow mistake.
前臂回收并还原重心，准备下板击球。
Forearm recovery. Restore the center of gravity to prepare to hit the next ball on the table.